Mulibwanji. Hello, Chichewa.
Yeah, hello.
Mulibwanji.
Happy
My name is Patrick Tunganjira, and I'm a teacher here at Nalikweli Demonstration Secondary School. Here is Mr. Jima, my colleague. So I'm teaching him Chichewa on a basic level, and join us as we learn Chichewa together. Chichewa is spoken by most people here in Malawi, and we are here in Lilongwe City. So today I want to teach Yajima and those of you who are watching us